Hey guys, I really did not realize what time it was. It's like 3:50. I'm just waking up. I really did not realize what time it was. My peoples are still in the bed, and my cats are in the cage. My bed is a mess, so be right back. I'm gonna get dressed and stuff. Okay guys, so it looks like I'm back.